Now I'm showing the Saó Blanc. Saó means when the soil has humidity, and this wine. It's the grape varieties are 90% Macabeo. Macabeo is this grapes that you can see behind me. It's a very delicate grape you normally use for making cava, sparkling wine. But here in this region, the Macabeo is very small with a lot of concentration and sugars and polyphenols. So it's a very delicate wine, but full of personality and potence. This Macabeo and white Grenache, 10% white Grenache, ferments and age in French oak barrels. That adds more complexity to the wine. For pairing, it's like the Troballa Blanca and the Petit Blanc. It's a very versatile wine because it has this, it's quite complex. It even really pairs well with a pork cutlet or with a great meat paella, but also, of course, with artisanal cheeses or with like fish. But better enjoyed with food.